everybody, Steve Basic Architect. We're down here at Schuco USA, and what are we doing? We're doing training, sir. You got it right. That's for all you Stripe fans. So, coming through here, the training center, they have a whole bunch of displays here. You can see there's a double glazed window. You can see the thermal break inside there, the isolator. They have curtain wall systems. This is a double glazed curtain wall system. You can see here on the vertical, it's actually an I-beam. And again, you can see the thermal break that's happening there, that the interior frame and the exterior frame never touch. This is a lift and slide door. And this one's actually triple glazed. You can see the three pieces of glass there. And you can see how it's thermally broken. Right there, again, you have the inside frame, outside frame. Standard triple glazed Euro style window, thermally broken, triple pane IGU. This one has a slotted aesthetic on the outside. Here's a curtain wall system that doesn't have a frame out on the front. It's basically fully gasketed out front here. You can see there, right on top of the glazing. And then on the inside, it has those aluminum box beams there. And then here is just another corner sample, triple glazed window, thermally broken. This one is also slotted. And then here, this is a triple glazed. You can see the hinges there. And this one doesn't have the slot. And there's another double glazed lift and slide door. And just another version of a curtain wall. But we also have this guy over here. So this is just an unfinished aluminum frame. So this one never went out and got powder coated or treated in any way. This is just a raw frame. You can see here, this is an operable window. We have the frame, the sash, the IGU, which stands for Insulated Glazing Unit. We have our weep holes down at the bottom here. And you can see these are just caps. They pop off and you can see there's the groove and how water drains out of the system. All of these European windows are European technology, German technology, so they're all water managed assemblies in the units themselves. If we come around to this side here and back up, you can see there's the window in its entirety. Now, it's a flangeless window, which means it gets installed with these installation clips. But the important thing about the flangeless window is you can see it's basically suspended in that opening, right? The only part that touches the rough opening in the window are those clips, as well as the shims down below. Now, the clip here, you can see, basically, if I turn it, you can get it to pop out, I think. Yeah. So it basically has these teeth you can see there, and those bite inside a groove inside here. So if I set that up inside and then simply rotate the clip out, then that gets a very sturdy fastening system. And you can see here, it's not going anywhere. And then basically that screw just gets screwed into the rough opening, and then this can get simply cut off there. But you can see the installation straps there. Let's talk a little bit about the operation of the window. Most of these windows have a lever type handle. You can see it's in the closed and locked position there. If I take that and rotate it up 90 degrees and pull, then that engages the turn function of the window. So A couple things about the turn function. It allows you to climb in and out of the window in case of egress. But it also allows you to clean the window nice and easy, right? Because I turn that sash to the inside and I get full access to cleaning it. You can see here's all of the locking mechanisms in the gearbox here, which basically engages the locking mechanism. Now, one of the things that's really interesting is as I engage that handle, not only does it handle these mechanisms, but these slides actually turn the corner and we have this locking bar that also engages it along the top of the window and the bottom of the window. If we look in here, you can see all of our hinge work is a concealed hinge, so nothing is exposed. But the beauty of that is you get to see that gasket is fully intact all the way around the sash. And you can also see here, those are the cleats that these little buttons here engage on, and which help make this an airtight assembly. But before we get there, if we turn this up 90 degrees more and engage it, you see that engages the tilt-in function of the window. And it tilts in probably somewhere around 7 inches. You can see that it drains in a positive fashion, meaning that if I left the window open and it rains, the water is simply just going to run down the face of the window. And if I open this up, you'll notice that the water is going to go down into the trough here and then engage that weep hole mechanism. Now, one thing to notice in here is notice the level of gaskets. They call them rebate gaskets. So we have a couple there, but we also have a couple here on the window sash. And so when we put that in and we close this, you can see how that sash actually gets drawn in against that frame and makes it for a really nice airtight seal. I mean, the two big bonuses of a Euro style window are the thermal performance of the triple glazing, but also the airtight performance of all those gaskets and hardware just working in unison to make that something special. Over here, they have a quick mock-up of same unfinished profiles here, but this is their curtain wall system, and you can see it basically builds right across the frame here. So we have the different IGUs, and these are all getting clipped in to the frame system there. And you can see they all have built-in little rain gutter systems to shed the water. And then we have this locking bar that basically holds that in. And then on top of the locking bar, we have these snap-on caps, which give it that finished curtain wall look. So really cool stuff. Take a quick peek around the back side here. But you can see all the different glazing beads, double glazed IGU there. Just a really quick tour. What's happening there. But anyways, yeah, all the different tools and stuff here for their training, all the different profiles and different frames. So all the different tools, putting these windows together and shims, all great stuff out here in their training. So anyways, there you have it. Euro style tilt turn windows. And we are out here at Schuco USA, Steve Basic Architect.